you guys, Molly from Molly's Artistry. I am about to do, this is an 18 by 24 canvas. Let me close my, I feel like every video that I do I'm washing clothes, so that's pretty much true. Okay, so I'm going to be doing I had an idea to do a black and white negative, or a black and white kind of negative space, and to do a puddle pour, and inside of the, and maybe two puddle pours, I haven't decided yet, and inside of the puddle pour to do a tree ring pour. So we'll see how this goes. There's no silicone in any of my paints. I think I'm gonna start with that. This is Payne's Gray. I have a metallic red. Maybe a little bit of white. That's just white. I like this color combination. Let's see how the black does in there as well. I think I may go one more with this. Oh, I think I'm gonna do the red now that I have that black. I don't want to go Payne's Gray right on top of that. The white. Then the Payne's Gray. And then the pink. And maybe the black. Since I'm going to be doing black on the negative space side. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go with one and see what happens. So now I've got my cup. I'm going to layer in. I want the white to come out on top, so I'll do that. And then I'll do the red. Oh, I didn't want to do the pink right next to the red, but oh well. Okay, let's see what happens. A lot of black there, that's okay. Oh, I wanted my middle to be nicer than that. Let me see if I can. I just muddied it all up. All right, let's see what happens. Now I'm gonna go, I wanted black to be my predominant color. White to go on this side. And normally, I'm trying to get a quickie in because my husband will be home soon. And I normally do my sides and prep everything first because I want it to all look finished, but living a little dangerously here today. And I didn't really know what I was exactly gonna do when I started, so we'll just see how it goes. You're on this ride with me, people. My sides are pretty covered, and since it's just hopefully gonna be the white or black, let me get a towel. might have started over just a little too far. I don't want to go all the way over. Bring it back a little bit. Okay, so the puddle pour went away. This was basically just like a tree ring pour. So that was a lesson learned there. But I actually kind of like it. So don't want to screw up. Guys, I'm gonna have to finish the white because I have black all over my hands. I'm gonna have to finish the white at another time. And that is it. Let me take it down and show you. Wipe my hands a little bit more. I think my inspiration came from melyd on this one. She had done one similar where she was using some enamel. And I wish that the colors, I wanted the solid colors to come out a little bit more on the puddle pour before the tree ring. Just kind of ended up being a tree ring. But I definitely like the colors. I think the colors are really cool. So, there it is. That Payne's gray became like a lighter blue when it mixed with the white. There might be a little more reaction going on in there. Purple over there, got some good lines on the side. Like I said, I just wish that my puddle had shown up. But there it is. All right, you guys, see you later.